Hello and welcome to this new course, Violin for Starters, which is being released to celebrate the 10-year anniversary of the Prime Strings Violin School. I'm Henriette and I'm going to teach you this course, and this is for complete beginners. So if you've never played the violin, I'm going to take you step by step to the basics of violin playing, and we're going to do that week by week. And all I'm asking is that you bring a violin, have it ready to play at the start of each video, and play each video a couple of times during the weeks so that you are well prepared for each next lesson. In this course, we're going to learn how to hold the bow, how to play open strings, but also how to play songs, how to look after your instrument, and we're going to also cover the basics of how to read music. So if you are a new starter, this is my personal invitation to you to come join this course. If you have had a break from violin playing and you want to go over the basics again, you're more than welcome to join this course too. You will catch up very quickly with what you have known before. So whatever kind of player you are, you're very welcome here. Do write in the comment section below this video what brought you here, what you aim to get out of this course, and how you see yourself progress. I look forward to seeing you in lesson 1.